So, what have I been doing? I've been busy building. Not a lot of driving, weather's not been particularly great, and I've been working away, which means I haven't had much time other than to do shorts. You've seen, hopefully, some of my shorts with the new Schumacher LD3 building that. What else we've been doing? Blah. Anyways, I want to talk to you about this new RC tire balancer from Sky RC. They've sent us one and we wanted to test it out. Unfortunately, the adapter for the 8 scale wheel has not arrived yet. It's imminent, probably just as I finish making this video. But, you know, with speed, tires are exploding at 200 mile an hour, 150 mile an hour, 220 mile an hour is the record right now for these bad boys. So balance is really important on a wheel. High RPM, if it's out of balance, it's going to explode. So I figured, why not try this RC tire balancer out and see what happens. It's probably still going to explode, but it should give us a more smooth rotation of the wheel and not jiggle around too much. Anyways, let's waffle. Let's open the box as I promised with my little short and see what you get. So as you can see, it comes just in a cardboard box, just nothing on the outside, no markings, totally all this green thing, but a nice rugged case, which we unzip like that. That gives us this bad boy in here. The tyre balancer, when we get it, the instruction manual, which actually I did need to read. You get a power cable and some putty for weighting the wheel when it comes up on the display. It tells you. Then you get the unit itself. Wheel goes on here. You've got an LCD screen, options button. But underneath, when it's transported, because the sensor inside it is so sensitive, being a sensor, these are wound out. And before you do anything, you have to wind these up so that shadow, but these lines line up. It gets quite tight towards the end, and then it's set to go. The other thing is, you need to put it on a hard, stable surface. It doesn't rotate at massive speed. I have had it play, as you know. This piece here comes installed with this piece here. This was already set in here. Instructions will tell you what to do with that. But then what we do is we push down on here. This locks this. You can do this up. There's a small Allen key set screw just there. Also you undo on this piece, swap them over, line it up, do it up, and then basically undo this fella here. Take it out. Let's get rid of the box. So undo this bad boy, line up the slot that they have there. You can see the slot. Ooh, extreme close up. That's that locks the axle so that you can do the wheel nut up. It doesn't come with a power supply. You can run it on a LiPo, but you have to make up a lead. For this, I have already put this in. Off she goes. Yeah, okay, we love that. So, you get to pick by just pressing the button. We're going to be in 1/10 for this. I have a brand new set of Schumacher tires for the Cougar. So we're going to throw one of those on and see what it's saying. And here it is, on the Schumacher wheel. Slide that onto here, as I said. The wheel hex actually is on here. When you're putting this on the wheel, push down on here, and then do this up, put it tight, like so. Then I'm going to press and hold to select. This is where it's telling us to put the wheel on, obviously. Done that. Check in. Well, that shows you how good Schumacher wheels are. Just for fun, let's put something on it to unbalance it and see what it does. Okay, so this is the putty that comes in the kit with the balancer. I've put quite a blob on it. Use black tack as well. I do have a small pair of scales here because I think it gets pretty accurate with how it perceives your measurements and tells you exactly on the display where to place it. Well, let's see if unbalancing the wheel makes any difference. So a minute ago it said it was balanced out the packet. We want to go 110, press and hold, select because we've got the wheel on, processing. One wonky wheel. Oh, yeah, okay, so there you go. Telling me at the bottom of the wheel I want to put 0.3 of a gram just at the bottom here. Okay, so there's some measured out. Put some there measured out. Well, close to. So put that on the bottom. So we're going to stick that there at the bottom. And we're going to see what it says now. Balanced, so it does work. So there you have it, wheel balancer. Nothing more simple than that, really. I will be trying it out with a few different tyres for the 1/8, because predominantly for me it's about the speed cars, 200 mile an hour plus type cars. So we've got Contacts, we've got Hoons, we've got GRP, we've got these new wheels from RC Speed 3D, and then we've got some other wheels. Anyways, we're going to try a whole load of different wheels when the adapter comes on the balancer and see how balanced they are when they come in and whether they actually need tuning. Some of them say they are already balanced and trued. And then what I'll do is order a truer, one of these automatic ones, take a skim off of one of the tires, and then put it on a balancer and see where we are with that. Anyways, there it is. Catch you on the flip side.